Did you know that the secret to a healthy liver might be in your kitchen rather than the doctor's office? Most people think they need expensive medications to detox their liver, but that's not true. There are natural and surprisingly simple methods that can transform your liver health in just a few weeks. I'll tell you what they are and how to apply them right away. Stick with me and discover how small changes to your diet and routine can prevent serious complications in the future and improve your health quickly and efficiently. You'll be amazed at the simplicity and effectiveness of these tips. Taking care of your liver is essential for overall health. This organ is responsible for detoxifying the blood, producing bile, storing vitamins and minerals, and metabolizing carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. When the liver is overloaded with fat, known as fatty liver disease or hepatic steatosis, it doesn't function properly, which can lead to symptoms like constant fatigue, abdominal pain, loss of appetite, and even jaundice when the skin and eyes turn yellow. Many people don't pay enough attention to this vital organ until problems arise. The good news is that you can naturally cleanse a fatty liver and improve your overall health with a few simple lifestyle and dietary changes. Fatty liver disease, or hepatic steatosis, occurs when there is an excessive accumulation of fat in the liver cells. This can be caused by a poor diet, lack of physical activity, obesity, excessive alcohol consumption, and certain medications. There are two main types of fatty liver disease: alcoholic and non-alcoholic. The former is caused by excessive alcohol consumption, while the latter is more related to diet and lifestyle. If left untreated, this condition can lead to serious complications such as cirrhosis, where the liver becomes scarred and permanently damaged. Additionally, it can affect other aspects of health, increasing the risk of cardiovascular problems, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Therefore, it is essential to recognize and treat this condition to maintain overall health. Recognizing the signs of fatty liver disease is crucial for taking swift action. Common symptoms include constant fatigue, pain or discomfort in the upper right side of the abdomen, loss of appetite, nausea, abdominal bloating, and jaundice. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important to seek medical advice. Diagnosis is made through blood tests, ultrasound, and in some cases, liver biopsy. Blood tests can show elevated liver enzymes, while ultrasound can reveal fat accumulation in the liver. In more severe cases, a liver biopsy may be performed to determine the extent of liver damage. Now, let's talk about how diet can help. Reducing your intake of sugar and refined carbohydrates is an essential step. Foods high in sugar and refined carbs, like white bread, pasta, and sweets, can increase fat levels in the liver. Instead, opt for whole grains, fresh fruits, and vegetables. For example, instead of a sugary dessert, choose a fruit salad or natural yogurt with oats. These small changes can make a big difference in your liver health. Including healthy fats in your diet is equally important. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon and sardines are excellent sources of healthy fats. These fats help reduce inflammation and improve liver health. Try adding half an avocado to your lunch or snack, or sprinkle a tablespoon of chia seeds over your salad. These small additions to your daily diet can provide the necessary nutrients to help detoxify your liver. Another important component of the diet is fiber. Fiber-rich foods like oats, legumes, and fruits help improve digestion and remove toxins from the body. For example, starting the day with a breakfast of oatmeal and fruit can be an effective way to ensure you're getting enough fiber. Adding a variety of legumes to your main meals can also increase fiber intake and improve liver health. To make it easier to implement these dietary changes, here are some healthy recipes that can help detoxify the liver. A detox green smoothie can be made with 1 cup of spinach, half an apple, half a banana, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and a glass of coconut water. This smoothie is rich in fiber and antioxidants that help detoxify the liver. Another option is an avocado and walnut salad, combining slices of avocado, walnuts, arugula, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil. This salad is rich in healthy fats and anti-inflammatory nutrients. Finally, a nutritious breakfast can be oatmeal with fruit and honey. Cook the oats in water or almond milk, add fresh fruits like strawberries and blueberries, and finish with a bit of honey and chia seeds. A nutritious, fiber-rich breakfast. Additionally, incorporating beneficial teas into your diet can be very helpful. Green tea is an excellent addition. Rich in antioxidants called catechins, it can improve liver function and reduce liver fat. Try drinking 1 or 2 cups of green tea a day. Prepare the tea by boiling water, letting it cool for a minute before adding the tea bag, and steeping for about 3 minutes. Drinking green tea regularly can help detoxify the liver and improve overall health. Another beneficial tea is dandelion tea, known for its detoxifying properties and its ability to improve liver function. To prepare it, add a teaspoon of dried dandelion roots to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Having a cup of dandelion tea twice a day can help detoxify the liver and enhance its function. Besides diet, a healthy lifestyle is crucial. Regular exercise helps burn fat and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. You don't need to do intense workouts. Activities like walking, swimming, or cycling are enough. Try to walk for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. This activity not only helps burn calories, but also improves blood circulation and aids in liver detoxification. Controlling your weight is another important factor. Obesity is one of the main risk factors for fatty liver. Therefore, maintaining a healthy weight is essential to reducing liver fat. This can be achieved through a combination of a healthy diet and regular exercise. Monitor your weight regularly and make adjustments to your diet and exercise routine as needed. Avoiding alcohol is crucial for liver health. Alcohol is toxic to the liver and can worsen fatty liver disease. Reducing or eliminating alcohol consumption is an important step for liver recovery. If you usually drink socially, try replacing it with non-alcoholic beverages, such as sparkling water with lemon or herbal teas. Sleep quality also directly affects liver health. Sleeping between 7 to 8 hours a night is essential to ensure your body has enough time to regenerate and for the liver to perform its detoxification functions effectively. Establish a consistent sleep routine, avoid electronics before bed, and keep your bedroom dark and quiet to improve sleep quality. If you're looking for an extra boost, there are some natural supplements that can be beneficial. Silymarin, found in milk thistle, is known for its hepatoprotective properties. It helps regenerate liver cells and reduce inflammation. You can find Silymarin capsules in health food stores. Taking a Silymarin supplement daily, as recommended on the packaging, can support liver health. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that can protect the liver from damage. However, it's important to consult a doctor before starting any supplementation, as the appropriate dosage varies from person to person. Vitamin E can be found in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach, but sometimes supplementation is necessary to get a sufficient amount. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil, are also beneficial. They help reduce fat levels in the liver and improve cardiovascular health. Consuming omega-3 supplements as per medical advice can be an effective way to support liver health. Additionally, including fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel in your weekly diet can provide a good amount of omega-3s. For more tips and suggestions on natural supplements that can help detoxify the liver, check out the link in the first pinned comment. These insights could be the key to starting better liver care today. Don't miss out. Besides supplements, there are also home remedies that can help. Starting the day with a glass of warm water with lemon juice is a simple way to detoxify the liver and improve digestion. To prepare, squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it in the morning before anything else. This helps activate the digestive system and detoxify the liver. Consuming diluted apple cider vinegar before meals can aid digestion and liver detoxification. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before main meals. This helps balance the body's pH and promotes healthy digestion. While these dietary and lifestyle changes can make a significant difference, it's crucial to have the guidance of a healthcare professional. A doctor can perform tests to monitor liver health and provide specific advice based on your individual needs. If you're experiencing symptoms of fatty liver, such as constant fatigue, abdominal pain, or loss of appetite, it's essential to seek medical help as soon as possible. In addition to improving liver function, a healthy liver can lead to a range of other health benefits. You may experience increased energy, better digestion, healthier skin, and even weight loss. These side benefits can motivate you to continue with healthy changes in your diet and lifestyle. Maintaining liver health is essential for overall well-being. Small changes in diet and lifestyle can have a big impact on reducing liver fat and improving liver function. Adopting healthy habits now can prevent complications in the future and ensure a longer, healthier life. If you're experiencing symptoms like constant fatigue, abdominal discomfort, or loss of appetite, it's important to seek medical help as soon as possible. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Additionally, sharing this information with friends and family can be an effective way to promote liver health in your community. Often, we don't realize the importance of taking care of our liver until problems arise. Sharing knowledge can help prevent health issues in those close to you. A healthy liver is key to a healthy life, and every small step counts. Implementing these natural strategies into your daily routine can not only help detoxify your liver, but also improve your overall health and quality of life. Don't miss the chance to transform your liver health and enhance your quality of life. Click on the video appearing on the screen right now and discover more valuable tips to detoxify not just your liver, but your entire body naturally. Watch until the end to see how small changes can make a big difference. Your health deserves this attention. See you in the next video. Take care.